Okay, so this is the second lecture of this course, and in this lecture I will show you some of my own results that I got after optimizing my videos. But before that, I would like to tell you that there are two kind of videos that you upload on YouTube. The first one is search based and the second one is YouTube recommendation based videos. So let me just show you what search based videos actually looks like. So as you can see that these are the search based videos, like how to delete Facebook account or how to delete Facebook page, delete a YouTube channel, Instagram account, or these kind of videos. So you always find these kind of videos after using the search bar of YouTube channel. So let me just press enter, and these are the kind of videos where we do a different kind of optimization than the search based videos. Let me now show you what the recommendation based videos actually looks like. So I will go to the home page of my YouTube channel. Okay, so as you can see that this is a YouTube recommendation based video. You would never search these kind of queries on YouTube, like 10 ideas that changed my life. So obviously these kind of videos are getting the views after YouTube recommend it to the homepage of certain audience. So as now you have the idea of what are the two different types of videos that are on YouTube. So now let me just show you my results on both of these kind of videos. So the first one is YouTube search based channel. So as you can see that the views are very consistent on these kind of videos. It is keep on increasing day by day. You would not see any spikes on this channel, and these are the most stable views and revenue channel on YouTube. So I started this channel about 3 months ago, and now this channel is getting roughly 800 to 900 or 700 views per day. In the last 48 hours, it got 1392 views and it generated a revenue of $60. This is a pretty new channel, so that's a good revenue in the beginning. Now let me just show you another channel that is search based. So this is also a search based channel with a very high RPM. You can see that the RPM is roughly $100 over here, and the RPM on this channel, this is how to type of videos, and this is a finance related channel. So the RPM over here is roughly $3, and here it is about $100. So you can see the difference. Now let me just show you the stable views over here. So this is very important to have a stable views in a long run. So these two were the search based channel. Now let me just show you a recommendation based channel. So as you can see that this is my third channel, which is a YouTube recommendation based channel, and here I upload military related videos. So it is purely based on YouTube recommendation. As you can see that this channel was getting roughly 3 to 400 views a day, but then a video was uh, gone viral and it got me 9,000 views in a day, and on the second day it was 10,000, and on the third day it was 3,000. So this is the problem with the YouTube recommendation by channel, like the military one, the vlogs one, and these kind of channel. These are recommendation based videos, and now it is again going up, and here I got 4,100 views on Tuesday, February 7th, sorry. And now let me just show you another channel. So I started this channel about 5 to 6 days ago, and that was a monetized channel. So I started uploading videos on a monetized channel, and it got me 108k views in last 3 to 4 days. So you can see that this channel got 40,000 views on February 7, got 569 views on February 3, and it got 18,000 views on February 6. So this is the problem with the YouTube recommendation based channel. You always get spikes like this. So I would highly recommend you If you are new to YouTube, always go with YouTube search based channel. But if you have already started or you have a blog channel or some other channel, then that's good, you will always get these spikes, so don't worry about the spike. So that was all I wanted to show you before I jump straight into how to optimize your videos. That the person that is going to teach you has a knowledge of what to do and will show you exactly in a step-by-step process of how to optimize your YouTube videos. So I'll see you in the next lecture.